Hello class. Today I will be explaining to you all how I would like you to create a folder to share with me on Google Drive. So as you see, I'm already opened up in my email, and we will go to this top right corner with the 9 squares. Click on that for Google Apps. Go to your drive. After the drive has opened, as you see, I already have many folders created. You will right click in an open area, or if you have a Mac, just use your index and your middle finger, press down at the same time to get these options right here. What I would like you to do is create a new folder, and for this folder I want you to put down what period you are in. I will put an example, your name, and I will put an example. Joe Smith, comma, and then the class you are in, which is English 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'll do 3. You will create the folder. As you see, it appears right here. As I open it, you will hit this little down icon, and then click the share button, to which you will put in my email, and let me view. Make sure so you've selected organize, add, and edit, and then send me your folder so I may view and grade all of your assignments. Now, this is how I want you to create a drive to share with me for my class. I importantly want that you have the period you are in first, your name, and then the class. Thanks, class. Have a good day.